Hi, just making this video. I had some problems downloading photos from from anything pretty much, to my AVH 200 BT Pioneer. Did a lot of online research, took me many days to figure this part out. It turns out that the Pioneer 200 BT AVH double DIN stereo deck will only recognize 4 gig and under. So if you're trying to download photos to save as a screensaver, it won't work. And the other problem was when I would download photos, I had to, when I was downloading them onto a USB stick, it will not work from your Android phone. I tried many different ways and talked to a lot of people. For some reason, these decks don't recognize it. So what you got to do is you get a no more than 4 gig USB memory stick. Now what you do is you insert the memory stick into a USB port on your computer, laptop, what have you. Take any photo, Facebook, your private pictures, whatever. Copy and paste to MS Paint. That's Microsoft Paint. I don't know the application for Apple. I'm not an Apple guy. But what you do is you take the MS Paint after it's copied and painted, click as Save As JPEG onto your blank memory stick. Once it's there, you take your memory stick. Oh, I also forgot to mention that you have to have your memory stick at and this is all in capitals, FAT32. These Pioneers are very finicky and they do not like to read anything else. If not, just reading errors will come up. So hopefully this helps. It worked for me. Thanks to lots of online help, stuff like that. So yeah, good luck, and have any questions, leave it in the comment box and I'll try to get back to you. Thank you.